More than 10,000 species of birds have been found in the world so far. Cultivation of birds like lovebird, France, cockatiel, Java, etc. has become very popular nowadays. Scientists say that the birds we see around us today are actually close relatives of extinct dinosaurs. Derek Lesson is researching the history of life on Earth. He is a researcher at a dinosaur museum in Canada. Birds are part of the dinosaur group, just like humans are called mammals, he said. The dinosaur group is exactly a very large group. More than 6.5 billion years ago, most of the dinosaurs on Earth were wiped out by the end of the dark ages that followed the impact of meteorites. However, the birds that are today the former males, but they are not extinct. When many species of animals and plants become extinct from all over the world, they were able to survive. They then became the bird of different species today. Although some insects and bats have wings, only birds have feathers. There are about 10,000 species of birds in the world. Thus, all living birds belong to the subclass Neornithes. The class of birds has been divided into 23 orders, 142 families, and there are 9702 species of birds. However, new species are constantly being discovered and new species are being identified by dividing some of the old species. Among the living birds, the bee hummingbird is the smallest, only 5 centimeters or 2 inches, and the ostrich is the largest, 2.75 meters or 9 feet. Birds, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals are also vertebrates. The main feeders of modern-day birds are feathers, toothless, big, hard-shelled eggs with which they leave their offspring, four-chambered heart, high cellular biochemical rate, light but strong bones, etc. The economic importance of birds is much higher. Their importance as food is immense. Many species are hunted for meat and some species are commercially reared. Many species of birds are economically important as food for human consumption and raw material in manufacturing, with domesticated and undomesticated birds being important sources of eggs, meat, and feathers. Songbirds, parrots, and other species are popular as pets. Guano, bird excrement, is harvested for use as a fertilizer. Birds figure throughout human culture. About 120 to 130 species have become extinct due to human activity since the 17th century, and hundreds more before then. Human activity threatens about 1,200 bird species with extinction, though efforts are underway to protect them. Recreational bird watching is an important part of the ecotourism industry. Thanks for watching.